Unlocking the mystery of eye contact. Meet someone's eyes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we've got a special topic that's not only interesting but also crucial in both everyday communication and literature. Meet someone's eyes. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also improve your comprehension of English social interactions. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this intriguing expression. When we talk about the phrase, meet someone's eyes, we're exploring an expression that operates on two levels, the literal and the figurative. Literally, to meet someone's eyes means to look directly into another person's eyes. It's about the physical act of making eye contact, which can be a powerful form of nonverbal communication. Figuratively, this phrase takes on a deeper significance. It suggests a moment of connection or understanding between two people. When you meet someone's eyes, it's not just about seeing each other. It's about acknowledging, sharing, or even challenging each other's feelings or thoughts. This dual meaning enriches the phrase, making it a versatile tool in both conversation and storytelling. Eye contact is a fundamental aspect of human interaction that can convey various emotions and intentions, such as interest, honesty, confidence, or aggression. Meeting someone's eyes can play a crucial role in communication, signaling attention and respect, or sometimes confrontation. In different cultures, the significance and interpretation of eye contact can vary widely. In some cultures, direct eye contact is seen as a sign of respect and engagement, while in others, it might be considered rude or confrontational. Understanding the nuances of this phrase can therefore also offer insight into cultural communication norms. To fully grasp the usage of meet someone's eyes, let's look at some examples. In everyday conversation, when I confessed, I couldn't meet her eyes, feeling too ashamed. In literature, he met her eyes across the crowded room, and in that moment, they understood each other perfectly. These examples show how the phrase can be used to depict a range of scenarios, from discomfort and guilt to a profound connection without words. In literature, authors often use this expression to convey pivotal moments of realization, connection, or tension between characters. We hope this exploration of the phrase, meet someone's eyes, has shed light on its rich meaning and significance in both everyday use and literary contexts. Remember, understanding such expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your ability to communicate more effectively and empathetically. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video, and keep practicing your eye contact in the meantime.